Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can achieve moody orange look in Lightroom. Here are some example photo, before and after using this filter. So let's get started. First go to Light. +10 for contrast. +10 for highlights. -20 for shadows. -5 for whites. +10 for black. Now go to curve and follow the following steps. Next go to color. +15 for vibrance. -30 for saturation. Now go to color mix. Go to red. +50 for hue. +15 for saturation. -20 for luminance. Now go to orange. -25 for hue. -20 for luminance. Now go to yellow. -90 for hue. +10 for saturation. +50 for luminance. Now go to green. -65 for hue. -35 for luminance. Now go to aqua. +20 for hue and saturation. -10 for luminance. Last go to blue. -20 for hue and luminance. +5 for saturation. And done. Now go to effects. +6 for texture and clarity. Last go to split tone. Hue 50 and saturation 15 for highlights. 220 and saturation 5 for shadows. And it's done. Now let's save this preset and apply it on other photos. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.